Well, guys, she sold. She's going to Missouri. Do her last little walk around. I'm going to a good home. Sad to see her go, but I'm gonna go out there and get his new truck started here shortly, which I'll probably just link that into this video. So goodbye to the Purple Palace of Love. Alright guys, so we're out here. I've already done checked all the fluids and the levels. So this is the truck that's replacing the Purple Palace of Love, this W900. So I guess we'll see if she fires up. We're gonna have to get the jump pack. Let me get the jump pack out. Alright, we got our old Harbor Freight jump pack hooked up. See if this baby will kick off. Oh, we're gonna have to prime it. It's tight. There it goes. Ah, we lost it. So he's buying this and that covered wagon back there, so we're gonna let her get aired up. Took a while to get the deal done, but it's done. So we got all the stuff moved around that was behind the truck. This out. So I'm going to try to make sure the brakes are released on this Kenworth, and then we're going to back under this covered wagon and send air to it and see if we got to beat the brakes off it or what. That way it's all hooked back up, and then whenever Glenn Duff gets here and he pulls us out, it'll be good to go. I think we're going to have to put some batteries in this truck, but definitely going to need some tires and brakes. She's going to need some love. And he's going to be bringing us a 1998 Peterbilt 379X with a cat in it as well. We got to do a clutch in that. That's down in Tennessee, I believe, he bought. So we got to go down there, get an air compressor put on it, and then he's going to try to drive it up here, floating gears. And then that'll probably be on the channel as well once he gets that all wrapped up down there. But I know that truck's paid for, so. Sad to see the Purple Palace of Love go, but he's got old Black Beauty now, so let's go ahead and see if it's going to roll around. Should have air by now. Yep, air pressure's good. AC's cold, so release some brakes. Oh, sorry about that with my fingers. Got a stuck brake somewhere. Oh, we're rolling. So we'll go ahead and put this bit right back up under that trailer. familiar with this one, so let's just get out and look and make sure we're lined up. I know we're lined up, but make sure that it's going the way I want it to. Yeah, we're good. It's all back under the rest of the way. Release our brakes again. That's it. Do the tug test. Yep, we're hooked up, so let's go hook up those air lines. Back there. Really need a point of view camera or something. So we got blue to blue. What the hell that thing's for? Some bullshit going on over here. I have to address that. See if we can't get this one to go. Plugging our light cord. Socket's broke. That needs fixed. Alright, we got all our trailer connections made. Oh, hang on. Messed up. They got two light cords here. Alright, we got that switched around. So, I guess we'll turn all the lights on. Go ahead and release these trailer brakes. Turn on all our lights up here. Some trailer lights. That one's out. That one works. Sounds like she's airing up. Airing up for sure. This trailer's gonna need some love, that's for sure. Look at that. Might be releasing. Trying to. Oh, we got a flat tire on the trailer. We got two flat tires. They off the bead? Yes, they are. So we're gonna have to get those aired up. Everything on the rear of the trailer's working. Another low one. So I guess let's see if this trailer will roll. Get some lights out on the sleeper. Like I said, this thing needs some work. Release our tractor brakes. Feels like it's moving. Looks like it's rolling. Go out and take a peek, see if we drug any tires. Get the brakes released. Well, the front axle definitely rolled. Looks like the rear axle's rolling too. Yep. No drag marks. Oh, maybe this one. Possibly. Go in here and take a peek. That one's stuck. So go get a hammer, give them all a tap, just to make sure. Alright guys, to be honest, I just took some mud and went around and marked the tires all at the top, so I can roll this thing around and see if that line changes, and then we'll know if we're dragging a tire or not. So let's go hop in the cab and bag it back up just a little bit, and then we'll see if they're rolling freely or if we're dragging them. Tractor brakes, got some glare in our eyes, reverse. It doesn't feel like there's any really resistance back here, so let's go check it out. Let's set all the brakes. See if our lines have moved. So that one's right there. So you know that one's freewheeling. Same with that one. Let's check our passenger side, guys. That mark is moved as well. And so is this one. So all our brakes are released. So we did what we did what we had to do to get this thing pulled up out of here. Whenever they finish the deal, they're working on the details and paperwork. But this bad Larry's running. Has cold AC, good oil pressure, no leaks. So we'll probably be doing some content with this one once he figures out what he's going to do with the truck. So, thanks for watching this video, guys.